Today, I'm doing the Slime Twin Telepathy Challenge.
Let's go!
I'm gonna see how well the Peachy Baby team knows me. We're gonna be doing 3 rounds where each person has to make the same exact slime as me, but they can't see the slime that I'm making. It's Anna, Dan, and Aaron on the same team versus me. In each round, one of them will have to make a choice of slime texture, dye color, and sprinkle mixes to match my slime perfectly. But this divider will make it impossible for them to see my slime. They can only guess what ingredients to pick based on our conversations, my facial expressions, and most importantly, their mind reading abilities. For round 1, there will be 4 options for each ingredient to choose from, but for round 2, there'll be 3 options, and finally, for round 3, there'll only be 2 options for each ingredient to choose from, giving my final opponent the best possible chance to match my slime. So it's up to them to decide who will compete in the last dramatic round.
All right, guys, we need to decide who's going first.
Aaron should go first. You're the smartest.
And then
Makes
Anna,
sense.
I think you should go second because you've been doing so many TikToks with Christian lately.
Also
Yeah,
makes
good
sense.
idea.
Yeah.
Dan, I feel like you should go last. You've been working with him the longest.
Yeah, you know him the best.
A little over a year.
Okay.
Yeah, makes sense. All right,
Okay.
ready? 3, 2, 1, break.
Round 1 is with Aaron. So we have 4 options for our slime, for our color, and our sprinkles. How you feeling, Aaron?
I know that there are more than 76,450,000 possible outcomes with what we have in front of us, so I feel like the odds are in my favor right now, and I'm confident that I'm gonna do this.
How many?
76,450,000.
That's so much. I need to pick out my slime now. I'm gonna lock it in with this one. Which one do you think I chose?
I feel like each time you do it is gonna be slightly based off of the person you're doing it with.
So that's weird for you to think that.
Is it weird?
Yeah,
Or is it
but-
logical?
No.
Listen, I need silence so I can hear your
Oh, okay.
thoughts. Think about your slime texture.
I'm thinking about it.
Think about it so loud.
For real, I'm thinking about it.
I'm locking it in with this one, and I am 100% confident that that is what he's thinking. I can hear it in his mind.
I need to pick out my color now. Now, if you know me well enough, you know what color I'd pick.
I know
I'm gonna lock it in.
nothing.
I'm locking in my color right now.
That sound that I just heard certainly sounded like this color. Am I right? It sounded similar to me.
Do colors have a sound?
I literally can't imagine you picking any color but this.
Whoa, okay, then I think I know what color you picked, but I'm not gonna say it, honestly.
Oh, but you didn't pick that one. You picked the one that you would have picked.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm feeling confident that we did pick the same color. I don't know about the texture though right now.
From the impact that your hands are having, from what I can tell of your head and shoulders, it seems like we may have the same slime texture.
Now for our third and final option, I have to pick out the charms. If you know me, I absolutely despise one of these things, but I love one of them.
Okay.
Oh, this one, I gotta be quiet with this. I think you can hear.
Yeah, I already thought about that.
I'm gonna dab it.
Can you dab it a little bit louder than that?
I'm trying to be so quiet right now.
Okay, he said that he hated 2 of these things. I know for a possibility that he hates ghosts because he doesn't like spooky things. I feel like these ghosts are probably safe to lock out. Zodiac signs.
Oh,
I could see him hating zodiac signs.
yeah, they prove nothing.
This is so hard. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and switch out this for this, I think. Like, I know I made the wrong decision,
I know what that sounds like.
and it's not the right. It's cute though, this is a cute slime.
I made a very cute slime. I don't know about yours. Now that our slimes are locked in, Aaron put the slime behind your back, and now we're gonna walk in front of the table. Please. All right, we're gonna reveal it in 3, 2, 1.
No, I already saw the
You did cloud dough?
I saw the cloud dough here out of the corner of my eye, and I was like, I knew it.
You picked the same charms though.
Yeah.
We are on some sort of wavelength because you did pick the same sprinkles. That's pretty good.
Out of 76 million.
We did get one of the options
not
right.
bad.
Aaron was unsuccessful, so let's move on to round 2. Round 2 is with the one, the only Anna.
Woo, let's do it!
Now we only have 3 options to choose from instead of 4, but I don't think you can read my mind.
I totally can. I've been reading you for months.
Little creepy, but okay. Let's just pick out the slime. I am gonna pick this one, and I am going to lock this in.
I am reading your mind, and I feel like
You're trying to trick me. So I'm gonna go for this one right here. It feels right.
Now I need to pick out my color. This one's an easy pick. I talk about it in the videos all the time, but if you don't watch my videos, because I know you sometimes don't, I'm gonna go with this one and lock it in.
I know exactly which color you're thinking about. And you know what? You've been wearing this color a lot too, so we're going for this one right here. You know what? It's also about the sound of the slime.
It sounds kind of like mine.
No, it sounds different.
Wait, no, do it. It sounds pretty close to me.
It sounds close. All right, I think I'm done mixing mine.
Me too. Now I have to pick out the charms to go on top of it. I'm not the biggest Elgato person.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but time to turn that stone over and maybe get over it, you know? So maybe I can pick
You're
that
trying
one.
to trick me, Christian.
I'm gonna lock it in. The footballs are gonna look insane.
Yeah,
Yeah, but maybe the cats too.
feels like the right one.
Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's the wrong one. Yours is locked in, yours is done.
It's locked in.
Okay, so now that ours are done, we're gonna put it behind our back. 3, 2, 1.
What?
What? Why'd you and Aaron both go with green?
You've been wearing the green a lot lately, so
Well, because it looks good on me, it matches my eyes.
that's actually a really pretty slime.
Thank you, yes.
We got the base right.
Oh, we did get the base right, so.
Okay, nice.
Nice, nice. You at least got one right. I just can't believe you chose green. The cats are fine. I don't mind cats, but.
You literally said it in Spanish too. You're like, los gatos. So I thought, you know,
I just like saying the word. It's a fun word to say.
It is a fun word to say.
Yes. Well, that's gonna do it for round 2 with Anna. Now we're on to round 3. We're on our third and final round with Dan. We only have 2 options to choose for our glue, sprinkles, and dye. Dan, are you feeling confident to actually make the same slime as me?
We've been working for over a year together. If I don't know you well enough to guess exactly what slime you're gonna make, then what was the point of working together for that long?
The point was that we were making TikToks.
Yeah, I
for
guess
Peachy
that's true.
Babies. So.
We are making TikToks and YouTube videos together.
I'm nervous because Aaron and Anna both got at least one thing right. So I'm assuming you're gonna get at least one thing right for this round.
And I've been studying you on your choices in the first 2 rounds. I
That's
know,
true.
as well as being completely in your head rent-free.
Confident, okay. I'm gonna pick my slime now. I'm gonna pick this one, and I am locked in.
So I'm thinking clear. I'm actually not sure. I'm gonna be so mad though if I pick clear and then I start hearing the I'm gonna go Bingsu just on that.
Okay, and then now I'm gonna pick out my dye. The choice is obvious. I'm locking in my dye right now.
Your favorite color is blue, but you could be lying to me.
I could also have multiple favorite colors.
Ooh, that's true. You're too much of a cool tones guy. So I want my slime to look good, so regardless of if you chose it, I'm gonna go blue. I think that's it.
That's fair. I'm going to color my slime now.
Oh yeah, we have to make the slime actually.
Yeah, so we are locked in now, so we can't make any changes.
We can't make any changes, so.
Yeah. Well, I think it's pretty obvious.
Oh, I got one. I hear the Bingsu. Oh,
The ASMR of this actually sounds great.
it deactivated a little bit. I know Bingsu is really tough to work with from watching you guys do it on camera.
I guess we haven't figured out what happens if I win or you win. What do you think we should do?
You know, you've been getting food a lot on the 40-day challenge.
Oh yeah, that's right. By the way,
For,
you should check out
yeah.
our 40-day challenge.
And subscribe to Peachy Babies so
Yeah.
we can hit 4.2 million so these guys don't have to get slimed. In order to inspire the workforce even more, maybe we should buy coffee for the entire warehouse for maybe an entire week. How about that?
But if I win, you guys have to do my TikToks for an entire week.
What?
Yeah.
I got this in the bag. I'm done mixing. My hands are a mess.
I have my slime dyed and finished. Well, now we have to pick between bananas, which are super cute charms, by the way. And then we got some very cute frogs. I'm gonna lock mine in, but I'm not gonna put it on the slime yet because I don't wanna give you any audio cues.
That's fair, that's fair. Okay, so assuming I got the color right, I literally have a 50-50 shot between bananas and frogs. This is gonna be tough. But frogs are so cute. But also yellow contrasts well with the blue, but also green would contrast well with the orange. But there's no way you went orange. It has to be this. Because I know your aesthetics, you had to go with the yellow to contrast the blue. I could be completely wrong. I could be throwing. No, you know what? Lock in bananas. Did I do it? Did I do it? Wait, show your slime. Let's go! No way! Let's go! Let's go! Free coffee for the whole warehouse! Let's go!
I literally cannot believe you did that.
In your head?
Well, I guess Dan's the only one that really knows me, so I gotta stop hanging out with you. Make sure you guys get this video to 5,000 likes, and maybe we'll do another one of these challenges. Go to peachybabies.com for all your slime needs. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. Well, I lost, so I hope you guys enjoy your coffee.